So we got to page Tzadik Ches in the Inyan, the Brachos. Let's see, maybe not there. Are we there? Inyan Kavanas Meya Brachos Shatikin David Melech Olav Shalom Levarach B'Chol Yom. I believe that this is where we're reading the light print here. Okay, so I think we're going. Okay, Va'ata Nevar Inyan Meya Brachos. Okay, Va'ata Nevar Harav. Sod Inyan Sheyesh Levarach B'Kol Yom Meya Brachos. Shazu Tekanas David HaMelech Olav Shalom Shekal Echa Yisrael Yivarach Meya Brachos B'Kol Yom. So this is an institution of David HaMelech Bezecha She'einu Mevarchin LaHashem Yisbarach She'anu Mevarch LaHashem Yisbarach Meya Brachos. So we make 100 brachos here. Bezeh Garmin Kebiyachos. So this fact that we're doing Meya Brachos, it causes that the Azer Anpin Yisbarach v'Yikabel Shefa Min HaBracha Al Yona, or the Brecha Al Yona. So the upper source of the bracha is Ima Ilah. So let's see what he means. HaBracha Al Yona should be mended Mekabel L'Zera B'Hi Ima Ilah. So the bracha that he gets is from Ima Ilah. L'Masha Kasev Kan Rav Ima Ilah. That particular phrase, it really strikes that it means the possibly Abba V'Ima Iloyin like that. He said, in the Kavanah the Ima Ilah Daika. Doesn't mean that Ima Ilah exactly. One moment, let me just move things around a little bit more. I'm in somebody's office and trying to make it work. Okay, so he says Ima Ilah. In the Kavanah the Ima Ilah Daika. And the Kavanah he the Tavuna, or the Tavuna. Hanikras Ilah, when is it Ilah? Be'erech Erech Azeranpen. Shaharei he Lamala Mazah. So we're doing this because Yom B'Koyach Zecha B'Kabbalah Zecha B'Kol Yom Meya Brachos Mitvuna. So therefore, this is the 100 brachos or streams of bracha that come into Zer Anpin. So now we'll talk about this general idea of Meya Brachos. We already learned previously. That the Nai Ima go into Zer Anpin, of course we know that. Now let's just understand this, that this is the number 63. Ima is called by this name Sag. So we understand that Sag actually, I see in other places that it's actually well, let's just say that it's a partzuf like that. So as the Mochin come into Zah, who kach, it's like this, a netzva ho the ima, shehem aruchim, which are long. Heim is pashne b'shnei kavim yamin is small, so they spread down the right line, and the left line is their anpin. About the yisod the ima, the hiyosa kotzer, so but the yisod of ima, because of the fact that it's short. He says, mispashet rak adachazah de zah. It's only able to spread until the chest of zah. V'adachazah de zah v'chasadim stumim, and until that place where it reaches the chest, the chasadim are closed up. B'yisod the imach mispashet ad sham, which is able to extend down there. Min hachazah de zah the mata, but from that place onwards, yotzei machasadim begilu b'socha gufa de zah. They come out into the body of Zer Anpin. So now we see that there's two different aspects of Zah. So the person is the Chaz Lamala would be until the Yisod of Ima reaches the Chaz of Zer Anpin. Up until this point, the Chasadim are closed up in the Yisod of Ima. So the Ima, V'chasheni, who min the Lamata, but then the next one is from the Chazad going down. Rosh Hashem is Tayim, but Yisod the Ima, Hamizgalim, Chasadim. But there you see the end of the Yisod of Ima. It opens up and then comes out the Chasadim. So it's V'ad Makom Achazad is there Anpin Shuhu Hanikra Makom Machusa. So it's called the Makom. He's calling it here the Makom Machusa. This is a place that's covered. Kevin Shisham Chasadim Stumas, the Chasadim over there are covered up. The Mechusa be Yisod the Ima, and inside of the Yisod the Ima, the Ficho Chazam Mekabel Sham Shefa Me'ima Min Shem Havaya Demil Wisa B'Shlemusa. So now what's happening is that I'm thinking that he's receiving the Sag. So let me, his word is again Mekabel Shem Sham Shefa. It's a Shefa, it's not the Sag itself. Me'ima Amin Shem Havaya de Milui Sag B'Shlemusa. So this is where it gets the entire Milui of Sag comes out at him. Havaya the Min Shem Havaya the Milui Sag, not the Milui only, just the Sag. Omin Achaza de Zal Lamata. But when you go down from the Chaza up at this point, it's still inside of attached to Ima. So therefore, when it's in part of Ima, there's a Sag. Shuhu Makom Shemistayim Yisod the Ima, which is the place where the Sod of Ima stops. Sham is Gala Bechasada Begilui Gomor. So there you see at this place that the Asadim are closed, are revealed completely. So now they're out there shining. Then he said the Minachaza the Mata Shuhu B'Makom Gilui Chasadim. So now we're understanding what it looks like when the Gilui of the Chasadim. Previously, it's in the Yisod of Ima, and as a result of that, it's this complete 63. So he said Gilui Chasadim Yotzim Yisod the Ima. Shem Hazah Mekabel Es Shefet Mechasadim Begulim. So this is where Zah starts to receive the revealed Chasadim B'Milui Chavayos the Sag, and he gets it as a result of a secondary action of the Sag, which is its Milui. Levad, only that, only the Milui. So in the inside of the Yisod of Ima, it's a 63. But when it comes out, then you see it as just the Milui of that, which is a Lamed Zayim, which we're going to see now. B'li ha'osis ha'peshuta the Chavaya ela rak Milui Havaya the Sag Levad. So it's only the Milui of Chavaya with the Sag by itself. Shemila Havaya the Sag Levad b'li osius Havaya the Peshuta Kazeh. So then this is the Milui, the Vav Dalad Yud, Aleph Vav, and Yud, who Ola Begematria Lamed Zayin. So it comes to be 37, which is the Gematria of the age of Yitzchak Avinu at the time of his Zakeda. Of Shem Sag B'Yachad Im Milui Havayim. So let's put Sag together with the 63, which is the two aspects, one inside of the Yisod, one outside of the Yod, Shuhuz Lamed Zayin, Hu Lo Begematria Meya. So this is where you get the concept of 100. V'heim mispar meya oros brachos ve'elo meya heim ha-meya brachos ha-romezes the meya oros. So that when you're saying the 100, the concept of the 120, the 100 rather, daily, is the combination of these two different lights, which represents the two stages of the entry of the Chasadim into Zeranpin. She'elo ha-meya oros ha-birchos ha-brachos Neitanos el Hazam me'ima shehi tavuna. It comes into Zer Anpin from ima, which is tavuna, and that's going to be this year right here. And